the biggest thing you learn with all this stuff is that the tools that we get to work with in the OR are so much nicer than your home tools, right? And like, so like my big goals in life are like to get like a set of the surgical power tools, like I can use like for like my home improvement projects, right?
What's stopping you?
Money and expense.
Yeah, that makes sense. And my dad said the exact same thing to me. He's like, yeah, it's like the stuff you have at home, but just way nicer.
Way nicer. And actually, one of the other things that you learn a lot is, when you go into the OR, you need to have a really good reason to be there. And so we're not trying to just take all day to get a job done, right? Because there's a level of risk that goes along when you have somebody under anesthesia. No matter what we do, no matter how much we try to optimize this and de-risk it as much as possible, the longer you're there, it's inefficient for your time. It's, having something take 3 times as long as it should just is going to increase the problems that you could run into later on. And so, that's why you have an entire team there, because they make it more efficient. And the biggest thing I've learned with doing stuff in the OR versus trying to do some type of project at home is how much more efficient you become when you have an entire team helping you out to execute something, right? Like if I'm, going to do something at home where we're doing like this, some type of woodworking project with one of my kids, it's going to take all afternoon. But, if you've got a team set up where like, this is what the plan is, this is the equipment that we need, we have it already set up and ready to go in the OR. You walk in and you can get something done in 10 minutes very quickly because it's all there. It's, you have a team, you have a plan, everybody is working well together, and you know what you need to do.